Welcome to this Elite Technique tutorial, the all-in-one fence software built to make your business work smarter, not harder. In this session, we'll go over how to manage your marketing campaigns. In Elite Technique, we have the ability to create and customize our marketing campaigns, and we can also collect reference data so that we can have a clear understanding of where our leads are coming from and also run complete later reports on the collected data. Let's get started. When in the automated CRM dashboard, click on Configuration and select Campaign, located right under Marketing. Click on Create to create a new campaign. There are only 3 fields that we need to fill in: the campaign name, who's responsible for it, and any tags that we want to use. Click on Save to complete the process. We then click on Configuration once more, and this time we select Medium. You may choose what media to collect data from or add a new medium by clicking on Create. We just need to input the name and whether or not it is active. Finally, we click on Configuration one last time and select Source. Like in Medium, select the media that you employ or add a new source by clicking on Create, and we're all set. Go into any open lead, click on Edit to make changes, scroll down to where it says Marketing, and you can manually update 3 fields we just configured: Campaign, Medium, and Source. To the right under MISC, you can even put the name of who referred to this open lead if the lead is a referral. Thank you very much. Work smarter, not harder. Elite Technique.